If you're looking to level up your streaming experience with the super fast VPN, like what you can see in the background, there's probably three things you need to verify. Firstly, does this VPN do all of the things a VPN needs to do, which is change your virtual location, change your IP address, does it allow you to access geo-locked content, and does it actually keep you protected online? Secondly, we need to see what are the features offered by this VPN, how many devices are supported, does it support the latest protocols like WireGuard, does it have servers in the locations you're looking for, and of course, how fast are those servers, and lastly, the price. There's no point having an amazing VPN with the best features if it's outside your price point. Right now, if I just browse to IP location, and it tells me that my location is in London, but right now I'm actually using Surfshark connected to a UK server. So that's my current location. Now, before I change my location, let's say if I try to access something like sling.com, give that a second and we get the message that Sling TV is only available inside the US. And this is typically where using a VPN will allow you to change your virtual location and you can then access all of this different geo-locked content. So let's go back to Surfshark. Now, one of the big plus points with Surfshark is the fact that they have over 3,200 servers across 100 countries. So that's a lot of servers for you to choose from. So even if one server is down, or maybe if one server's IP address gets blacklisted by a certain application, you have multiple servers in multiple locations, which you can then use to hopefully get around that particular restriction. So here, for example, we can see I have a server here in New York. I can double click on that, click on continue, and I will jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube to show you exactly what this client looks like on that device. Okay, that's now connected. If I now go back to IP location, we can see here was my previous IP address, which ended in 71. If I now refresh this page, we can see I now have a completely different IP address, and it now sees my location as New York City. So because of that, any application I try to access now or any service, they will believe that I'm actually accessing that service from New York. That's working fine. Let's now try Sling again. And we can see this time I can now access the web page. I'm saying that before it loads because I'm confident it's going to work. We can see that's worked absolutely fine. And now, for example, we can access different services like the huge Sling free stream. I can click on that, which now unlocks, I think, 300 or 400 different channels. Hundreds and thousands of movies and TV shows are all now accessible to me because I'm using that new virtual location. That's working fine. So we can say definitely without any issue, Surfshark will allow you to choose any of those 100 locations all over the world. And with that massive list of 3,200 servers, we have lots of options to choose from. Let's now try a speed test. That's one of the things that impressed me the most with Surfshark was just how fast these servers are. It doesn't matter which location you use, if you use a local location or a further out location. In all cases, I was easily pushing over 350 meg downstream. So this is for a server based in London. Let's now change to another server. Let's now try a server in New York. So again, I'm hoping we should be pushing well over 300 meg for a server in New York. And you can see, guys, very, very impressive speeds. All of these servers seem to be very, very fast. Doesn't matter if the server is geographically further away from you. You always get consistent, good speeds with multiple servers to choose from. So it doesn't matter if you're trying to stream high quality 4K content, you'll be able to access all of that content, all of those high quality streams whilst connected to Surfshark VPN. As I'm connected to a USA server, I'm hoping we should see the USA library for Netflix, which is a very, very large library. Let's click on this. And very quickly, you can see that it's telling me the top 10 films in USA Today. So because of my virtual USA location, I've now unlocked that Netflix library, giving me access to all of that content from there. Similarly, if we change a different location, here, for example, I'm now connected to South Korea. Let's now refresh this page and let's see how that updates the Netflix library. We can now see some different content. And if I scroll down, it's now showing me the top 10 films in South Korea today. So super easy to do and a great way to get access to more content from all over the world. Let's now jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube so I can show you exactly how Surfshark looks on one of those devices. So the application has a super nice clean interface. You can see all of those servers here. We have servers from over 100 locations. You can add servers into your favorite. You also have servers which give you a static IP address. And you also have multi-hop. So this will allow you to bounce through multiple VPN servers if you are super conscious about your privacy. So you make one connection to a server in Mexico, and from that Mexico server, you make another connection to a server in France, giving you that multi-hop functionality. So really the best way to maximize your privacy. So you have all of the multi-hop servers here, and they also give you different static IP address servers if you are looking for that. Now here, for example, we can see I've made a connection to a UK server. I can now press the home button. Here, for example, is an application which is designed for the Swiss audience. If I try to click on that, click on play, and tells me that user is not in Switzerland. Let's back out of that. Let's go back to Surfshark. Let's change my virtual location to Switzerland. You can just see, guys, the sheer number of countries and locations supported. Let's click on that. I've now connected. Let's now press the home key. Let's try the application again. This time when I click on play, and we can now see that content has been fully unlocked using that VPN. So changing your virtual location, changing your IP address, accessing content from different parts of the world, all of that works flawlessly with Surfshark. Let's back out of that. All sounds really good. And would I recommend it over something like ExpressVPN or NordVPN? I'd say when you look at some of the features, the fact that you get unlimited devices, and what this means is you buy one subscription, then all of the devices in your household, all of your Fire Sticks, all of your Android TVs, your phones, your tablets, Windows, Macs, all devices will be covered with one account. Other VPN providers may give you 10 or 20 connections, so you have to constantly cycle between which devices do you want to get protected, or which devices do you want to access geolocked content. But we can see with Surfshark, no limits, all of your devices are all covered with a single license. They also have some real next-gen features like the multi-hop, allowing you to connect to multiple servers, multiple VPN servers before your endpoint. They also have these 100% RAM-only servers, which basically means that these servers have no hard drives or no disk storage, which means everything is held in RAM. As soon as you restart that server, all of that information is automatically wiped. So not only do you get a true no logs policy with these RAM-only servers, there really is just no logging whatsoever. They also have other features like this Nexus, which allows your traffic to route through multiple hop, multiple connected VPN servers. So if you are looking to maximize your security, your privacy and stability, you can do that with their Nexus technology. So superb features. But the real icing on the cake, the real cherry on the top is the actual price point. You can get all of these amazing features for your VPN at the price of just $1.99. I mean, that's actually cheaper than some budget VPNs I've reviewed in the past. But as you know, with what I've demonstrated today, Surfshark is classified as a premium VPN. To get those premium features, to get unlimited devices, to get over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries, to get that for $1.99 a month for 2 years with 4 months free, I really think that's an absolute no-brainer, and everybody looking for a great VPN should definitely take up this special offer. They do have some other options here for $249 and $399 if you're looking for more security features like anti-malware, like anti-spyware, real-time antivirus checking. Some of those extra features are added with these plans here, but you can access all of the VPN features I've mentioned today at this $1.99 price point, and they even give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So really you have nothing to lose but everything to gain by taking up this special price for this premium VPN. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment for the special discount code. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.